VLC is most commonly used media player, and you can play audios and videos in this media player. We have a lot of different features which are not known to common people, and today we are going to talk about 15 features which you don't know in the VLC player. So the number one feature is you just go to media and go to capture device, and here you will see this capture device, and now you just go to this section and choose desktop, and in this frame rate setting you can set 30 or 60. I just choose 60 frame rate, and now press convert button, and here you can see that the profile has been created, and now you can browse to save your file. I'm gonna save to desktop and rename this one as screen capture. I rename, and now if I press stop button, and then it will start my recording. As you can see here, it has started my recording, and I can pause a recording and stop it here, and boom, I stopped my recording. To record your camera and audio, just go to device, and meantime you can select the HD camera and external and internal microphone, and the video size you can also select and go to convert, and like this one, and it will start your show, the recording as well, and you can browse and rename your file wherever you want to save. The next feature of VLC media player is to convert any file. Just go to this one, and here you will find convert and save, and in this section you just go to add media. Here is the file. Now you just go to this convert section. After this one, go to convert, and you will see these options, and there are a lot of options you can choose from the menu here. If I go down, and there are a lot of different options you want to convert. This is my audio file. You want to convert it into audio or MP3. There are audio options as well. You can see MP3, PLC, CD, and whatsoever you want to choose. And here you can browse the destination. I want to save it at my desktop, and rename is audio extracted, and I can save it here. And now I just simply press audio MP3 and start converting, and it will, you can see that it has already started converting, and it is done here. This audio is here, as you can see. Isn't it amazing? To take a screenshot, open any video. I have muted this video, and I want to take a screenshot of this video. Here you right click on the video and go to video section and go to take a snapshot, and it already has saved in my downloaded photos section. And the alternative of this one is on Windows, you can press shift key with S, and it will take a screenshot. And on MacBook you can hold command and alt and S snap button as well. Alright, so this is really powerful. Record your audio or video while playing in VLC. Go to view and press advanced control, and now you can see that there is a record button here and the camera button as well. Once you record, your recording will start here, and the video will be saved in video folder, and the audio would be saved in the audio folder. Alright, so once you're done, you can stop this recording here, and you can record any media which is played in the VLC. Next feature is awesome. You can bookmark any part of your video so that you can come back later and watch that particular part of the video. Is any video, for example, is here, or anywhere here. So you can just go to menu bar, and here you hit playback and go to custom bookmark and press manage bookmark, and you can also press Ctrl B. Once you are here and at this place, I want to bookmark this place, then I can create a bookmark, and I can move forward, and I can go this one here and press Ctrl B, create another bookmark. And this is very easy to create bookmarks and come back later and watch the part of this video at this particular place. Next, we have awesome feature of equalizer. You go to this section and you can access this equalizer here, or if it doesn't appear here, you can go to tool section and effects and filters. Here you can access the equalizer and you can enable it, and you can choose the bassy, bright sound and full bass, and all these features are available. Once you select any of these features, then hit that save button and it will save your equalizer if you're using bass boost or 2 bass or so. There are so many other options as well you can check around. So this is a really cool feature in VLC which we actually don't use, but we don't know, that's why we don't use it. Okay, so the next feature is very cool, how to add watermark to any video in VLC. Go to tool section, go to effect, and here you just go to video effect, and in this section go to overlay, and here you can add text as your logo or add a logo image. I'm gonna browse this one. There is a logo picture. Bring this one here and you can see that it appears here, and now I can choose the pixels as well, for example 10, 20, and this one you can see that it appear here as my logo, and you can decrease the opacity and it will be like this one as it's visible right now. You can see it easily, and in the meantime you can add text. Instead of VLC, I can add ProAttique, and what the position I can choose bottom right or bottom left here, as you can see that the watermark on this video would appear here. Easily add watermark to your video and press this save button after the desired settings are done, and then boom, there you go, your video would have a watermark. You can easily add effects to your audios and videos. Go to this section, and here in the video effect and audio effect you can do pitch your sound as well. In audio section you can enable this one and enhance your audio pitch here, and in the meantime you can do some other special settings, enable them and play around. For the video effects you can change the hue and brightness of your videos here, and in the meantime you want to crop a video, you can crop a video, color grade a video. In this section you can also do other features like sigma and factor soften, and you can do the blur option as well, and in this synco option you can play around and do these settings. These are really awesome in VLC. This cool feature in VLC allows you to go live stream, and in the meantime you can download videos. Here is my video URL, and I can just simply go to copy URL and then go to VLC, open network stream, and here I can paste my link, and if I play it will start the streaming. And in the meantime if I want to download this one, I can convert as well and stream, play and do this one. And in the meantime if I want to download this one, after going to play button you can go to your tools and go to codec information, and here you see a link here, and now Control A and now Control C to copy, and go to your browser and here you paste the link again and it will play. Then you right click on the video and save the video as, right, so I can click and save this video as wherever I want to save on my desktop. It appears here. Isn't it cool? This cool feature allows you to take any video anywhere, movie part, and set that part as your desktop wallpaper. You just go to this one, and for example this part I just want to be my wallpaper. Here I pause this one and go to my video section and I select set as wallpaper. As you can see here, video and set as wallpaper. It's quite easy and very handy, very nice. You can use VLC media for multiple instances. For example, to open multiple medias, go to tools, go to preferences, and here you uncheck this one, use only one instance when started from the manager. You uncheck this one and save, and then you will have this kind of features. You can open multiple windows in your VLC. This feature allows you to open your VLC videos full screen all the time, as it's not full screen. So what you can do, just go to Tools section, go to Preferences, and in Video section you enable this full screen and save. And now if I just open this video again, and it will always open full screen videos. VLC allows you to try to podcast and also listen to your radio stations. Go to this section and paste the URL of your podcast, whatever you want to listen, and press OK. And the podcast will appear here. There is a list of podcasts, and here you can see a bunch of other options as well. And down there are tons of radio stations you can hear in VLC. That's really amazing. You can create jigsaw puzzles in VLC and play in your free time. Go to this Tools and Effects. Here, click on this one, and now Video Effects. And here, just go to these puzzles, and you can choose the rows and columns up to 16, and then Save button. And here you go, you have puzzles. Now you can play and solve them. Subscribe for more such awesome content. Without you, I'm nothing. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.